Hey guys, welcome to our day 4 here in Korea. I'm going down for breakfast, and again today is going to be a very tiring day, a very long day, because we are hoping to go and join the tour for the Ayumi, Nami, and Garden of Morning Calm. Yan, sana tama na yung mga paggagawin natin sa buhay, no? Pagpunta doon sa meet-up place. So ayan, sana matuloy na to kasi sayang naman talaga ang binayad ko doon kung hindi kami matutuloy. Currently 8:12 in the morning. Meet-up time will be 10:10, ganyan. So dapat malasakay na dito na 9. Kahit na 5 to 10 minutes going to Shinsegae Duty Free, pupunta na kami ng maaga. Maano lang to, maitawid lang to. So let's have breakfast. And for today's breakfast, we have, of course, the juice, yogurt, milk, cereal. Same thing as the other days that we've been here. So ayan, syempre they have orange and salad, apple, seaweed soup and cream soup. Pare-parehas lang siya everyday. French fries, fried rice, sausage, vegetables, bread, meron dyan jam, butter, scrambled egg, and they have spaghetti, dahil sa mahaba yung araw namin and di na kami makakabalik dito sa hotel, kailangan dala ko yung mga power bank ko, dala ko yung mga camera ko, dala ko rin yung mga panlamig ko kasi baka mamaya ginawin tayo. Yun ang problema talaga. This is what I'm wearing for today. Meron lang akong dalawang ultra warm na heat tech. Sa baba, meron akong dalawang ultra warm, isang extra warm na heat tech, knitted skirt from GU, belt bag na Gucci. Yan, and my watch. Okay, finally we're here at Shinsegae Duty Free and we found the meetup point and ang dami na naman ganap. Bayad na rin kami ng additional 50,000 won for the penalty. So we're here finally. And this is our tour bus. Muntik ka naman namin ma-miss tong tour na to. But I'm gonna tell about that later kasi nahagard pa ako. Tumakbo-takbo na naman ako. And we are finally here at EOB Ice. Ito yung entrance niyan. EOB Mountain siya. So, there's EJ. This is a self-guided tour. So, we're just given an hour to explore the area. So, ito siya. Ready. I'm here. So, congratulate me. Ang galing-galing ko talaga. Naka-join kami. Muntik na naman. Hindi. 1 degree lang yata. And kasi mahangin. So, kakalaman tayo. May nakalimutan ako. Nakalimutan ko yung earmuffs ko. Medyo basa-basa lang. Ito na yung EOB Ice. Fall siya na naging yellow na. Ano siya? Walang iyakan, tanda mo na nang babato ka pa.
Girl, hindi ako naka-experience na ito.
Huwag ngayon! Hindi, hindi ito naka-case. Sira ulo ka. Waterproof, hindi snowproof. Iceproof. Ano? Doon may bato. Sa walang This is actually the restaurant where we will eat our lunch, 1:36 in the afternoon. So we were divided into two groups.
Hi. And here is very famous and very delicious in front of Nami, and the most famous restaurant. And I hope you can enjoy it. You must have to try here. Here is fried rice. It's very delicious.
We ordered for two less spicy duck galbi, one fried rice. These are the banchan, ito kimchi, lettuce, and bean sprout. Duck galbi, that's 15,000 Korean won. Soy sauce duck galbi or yung bulgogi sauce lang, 15,000 din yan. Lagyan natin siya ng more spice. Hey guys, we are about to go to Nami Island. And ayan, I'm with the second tour group. Kasi the first one left already. After an hour, tsaka lang kami pupunta ng Nami. We have to be back by 4:45 or 5 o'clock the bus will leave.
We need to get together. So time you come back, you off island, you go to the bus. Bus will stay there, same place, okay? Everybody can know how to go there.
Yeah.
Good. Especially
Ginaw ba? Hindi pa humahangin. Tayin mo yung hangin. So hindi nga pwedeng magpalit.
From now you are free. So just enjoy yourself without me.
We are going to ride the ferry. It's nice to be back here. Ayan. Yeah, we're back after 5 years.
Hello. Saan to?
Hindi nga snow eh. Free snow sledding oh. From 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock. How do you go there? Layo eh. Ano? Dito? Putik to eh. Oh, gusto niya mag-sled. Ayoko, mababasa ako. Yeah, so nakapila si EJ dito sa sled activity. This is for free. Kasama na sa bayad yan. So yan, pero may pila lang. Pero you have to rent your sled doon sa may information. And then you have to return it back. Tuntua yung mga bata. Cute. Okay. How was it? Katakot? Ewan ko, natakot ka ba?
Oo, kala ko ikot ako eh.
Oh, ganun din ang ramdaman ng iba. Ayoko, natakot ka nga eh. Sa akin mo pa papagawa.
Pag ayaw mo, babatuan kita ng snowball.
Wag, nabatuhan mo na ako maraming beses na. So okay na yun. Oh nga, libo no. Meron na kami mga pictures, so ikot-ikot lang kami. Dito sa part na to nakadating na rin kami dito dati, pero parang dun sa dulo hindi pa. So diretso tayo doon.
Ayaw mo mag-bike na.
May magnet yata dito. hindi souvenir shop to. So, no. It's a convenience store. Here. Ayun yung Winter Sonata bicycle, oh. O, picture mo na ako, girl. Oo. Yan, tapos magpipicture tayo dito. Ayan, ito yan. Kasi sobrang, ito yung naka-align yung trees. 'Di ba? So, ito talaga yon. Saka magkakabeto na tayo, no? Papakasaway ka na naman. Nakakabot nga tayo dito. Mahihiwa naman tayo. Yan, kanina kasi, doon sa Tayobi Valley, kami yung pinakahuli na sumakay sa bus. We were late for like 4 to 5 minutes, so nakakahiya. Tapos ngayon tumatakbo na talaga kami. Kasi kung hindi, issue na kami, girl. Hindi na pwede. So ayan, we are now going to ride our bus going to Garden of Morning Calm. 3 places. So for almost 4,000 each yan. Nag-additional ako ng siguro around 1,200 for the penalty each person. Siguro baka umabot na 5,000. Hey guys, we are here at Garden of Morning Calm. Yeah, we just arrived here. We will be here until 7 o'clock. So it's a bit cold right now kasi the temperature went down. I'm wearing my gloves, my scarf. Malamig ba to? Ayan. He's having coffee. Okay, they're starting to move. And si EJ is still inside the toilet. EJ! Tagal na naman niya. Umalis na. Late ka na naman. Ikaw na naman ang huli. Ayan na. Kasi nga you have to go together daw.
Meeting time 7.
Okay, 7. Here.
Here or bus?
Or the bus. Okay.
I will be here, so here or bus.
Okay.
So yung ilaw yung ano dito, attraction.
Yeah. Pag winter, mga flowers wala. Pag ginawa nilang ganito, para may kita pa rin sila. Parang yung doon kanina. Walang kinikita pag winter, walang napupunta doon. So, ginawa nila yun. Artificial lang pala yun. Oh my God. Ba't ako pumunta dito? Jay, huwag mong maalog ka. Huwag mong alugin. Oh my God. Oh my God, ano yan? Girl, nakakatakot. Stress. At Wang Bijib. It's a Korean barbecue near our accommodation or near our hotel. So, this is not unlimited, guys. But we are going to try this restaurant because it's highly recommended. It's a traditional Korean restaurant. Pinakamaganda dito, may tigaluto. Diba, hindi mo siya masusunog or whatever. Slices ng pork nila. Ang kakapal pero ang lalambot. Grabe yung quality talaga ng pork sa Korea. Lalo na sa restaurant na to kasi medyo pricey siya. Siguro 20,000 or 21,000 won. Kasi ito yung mga side dish natin. Let's eat! And umorder pa ako ulit. So 3 order ng pork yung in-order ko. Iba't ibang klase. Iberico pork. And then yung marinated pork. And then ito, yung regular samyup nila. Masarap nito. Ang mashed potato with condensed milk. Tapos ito naman kimchi with egg yolk. We're done eating and dito kami kumain. Ayan, sa taas. Ayan yung Wang Bijib. Tapos sobrang lapit lang pala niya sa amin dahil eto lang oh. Diretso yun yung sa amin. Mag-isa na lang ako. Kasi yung anak ko, nagkahiwalay kami. Pero sabi ko mag-meet kami dyan. Kasi hindi ko sure kung dala ko yung key card ko. But I'm still here in Myeongdo. Most of the stores here are closed because it's already 10 going back to the hotel. And sobrang pagod ko na because it was a long day for us. Kita nyo naman yung dami namin pinuntahan. Tapos nahilo rin ako sa bus kasi zigzag yung daan. Biyahe from one destination to another destination. Parating 1 hour or so, ganun. Malalayo siya. So nakakapagod. So every time tulog ako sa bus. So anyway, I need to pack my things cause tomorrow will be our checkout day. Pero 12 o'clock yan. But we have to leave by 7 in the evening. So hindi pa ako matutulog ngayon. Magliligpit pa ako para tomorrow. Ready to go na ako. And baka kasi gumala pa kami from 12 o'clock in the afternoon hanggang siguro mga 5. Ganyan. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. This is the end of day 5. Bye!